This is how to transfer money from savings to checking account, so make sure to follow my steps. First of all, you should log in to your mobile banking app. After that, you need to tap pay and transfer to get started. Then make sure to tap transfer between my accounts. For the next step, tap choose account and select the account you will make the transfer from. For your case, you should select your savings account. For the next step, tap choose account to select the account where you will transfer money to. So for your case, you will be choosing your checking account. Next, tap enter amount. After that, make sure to enter the amount you wish to transfer and then select done. Once done, tap choose date. After that, select the date for the transfer to occur, then select done. After that, tap next and then review your transfer details. Tap edit if you need to modify or tap transfer to proceed. For the last step, tap done. Immediate transfers can be seen in your account details. Future scheduled transfers will be listed in the activity section of the pay and transfer screen. If you do find this video is helpful, consider like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.